Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. And today, well, we're making some fake ass bacon. And believe me, it's gonna be delicious. Why? Well, most people need a little more vegetables in their life, and maybe you don't have to eat that little piggy every week. So sit back and enjoy this wizardry as we create eggplant bacon. Now, before we get started, a couple of things. You probably heard in the intro me call this a vegetable. Well, it might be a fruit. That's what Google says. I don't know, you tell me. The other thing, this is not vegan bacon because we're gonna be using Worcestershire sauce. And this is filled with fish guts. So vegans, use an alternative. All right, so this thing's really simple. We're just going to dice this thing up in little bacon strips, and then we're gonna dip it in our nice concoction that we're gonna make right here. So cutting this thing, we're gonna cut the ends off. No more fug butts. Long ways. Yeah. Now, if you had one of those cool devices that you slide it on and try not to rip your fingers off, that would work. Or you could thinly slice it with a Hattori Hanzo knife, like so. Chisel away. How perfect. Now this might be a little big, so we're just gonna cut that guy in half. Yeah. Nice. And there's our bacon strip. Bacon strips. We're just gonna repeat that sweet process. Look at that technique. Nice little sawing motion. And repeat. All right, that should be enough. All right, so now that we got our beautiful little bacon strips, now we make our sauce balls. So first, a little olive oil. We got 2 tablespoons. Then we have some maple syrup. Just 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You're gonna love that flavor. Then our Worcestershire. So again, you can get a vegan-friendly Worcestershire, but this is what makes it. We're going with some sesame oil. Again, just a tablespoon. Shit. Well, that doesn't have a slow pour. It's still gonna be delicious. Next, some liquid smoke. Just need 1/2 teaspoon. Not much of that smoke. Come on. And last, some paprika and salt and pepper. All right, so we're gonna mix this up. Now we just gotta start dipping these things and throw it into the air fryer. So I'll have one of these beforehand. Ooh. All right. Big basket. And you could brush these on here. I don't have a brush, so I'm just gonna dip away. Oh yeah. Slimy goodness. Bacon transfer. Slap it, slap it. It's perfect. We want these little strips dripping. Perfect little snacks. I mean, pretty damn low cal, minus the scissor up. Perfect. Simple enough. We're going in the air fryer, 5 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it and do another 5. Everything goes on 400 in the air fryer. You should all know that. All right, so we're going the air fryer in. We're gonna take it to 400, and we're gonna get that for 10 minutes. So we're gonna go 5 minutes each side, and then flip it or until it's golden brown. Ah yes, so we're 5 minutes in. We're gonna flip these little strips. Ooh, smells syrupy. All right, we are flipped and we're going back in. Finish him. Now you can wait for the time to expire, or you can go by smell, and you know what? It smells like bacon. Ooh. Now it's kind of tough to plate bacon, let alone fake ass bacon. I get it, really doesn't look that good, but I'll give you a little taste test. Sure as hell tastes good. Enjoy. If you like what we're cooking up in the kitchen, be sure to subscribe, and we'll give you more recipes that you could or could not make. But we encourage you to make them. Just make them.